Tired of messy data and manual entry? Let's get your files into Aisensy quickly and easily. First, navigate to the Contacts section in your Aisensy dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your contact information, and it's our starting point for importing. Next, click on the Import Contacts button, usually located at the top right of the contact list or in a drop-down menu. This opens the import interface. You'll see options for different file types like CSV or Excel. Select the format that matches your file. Aisensy supports these common formats for easy import. Click on the Choose File button and locate the file you want to import from your computer. Select it and click Open to upload it to Aisensy. Now comes the crucial part, data mapping. Aisensy will show you a preview of your file's columns. Match each column to the corresponding field in Aisensy, like name, phone number, and email. If you're unsure about what each field represents, hover over it for a helpful tooltip explanation. Correct mapping ensures your data is imported accurately. Decide if you want to update existing contacts if the imported file contains information for contacts already in Aisensy. Checking this box will update their details. Finally, click the Import button to start the import process. Aisensy will process your file and add the new contacts to your list. You'll see a progress bar indicating the import status. Wait until the import is complete. The time it takes depends on the size of your file. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation message. Now you can leverage the imported data for personalized messaging campaigns and efficient contact management. Enjoy.